Hey, wealth creation investing traders and investors. Matthew Buckley, the chief investment strategist here at WCI with your Friday market wrap up, and not too much on the economic flight schedule for today. Getting vehicle sales throughout the day today, seeing some softness in total vehicle sales out of some companies, and seeing some strength. So that kind of translates into what's going on in the market today. We also have a couple Fed folks speaking, capped off with the Bernanke speaking at 2:30 p.m. Potentially not that big of a deal. Obviously, his tour as commander-in-chief at the Fed is over with, and his executive officer, his XO, Janet Yellen, is taking over. And as I said, market's just kind of wallowing around right now. Dow's up 20. SPOOs are flat right here, but the weekly options model portfolio over at Top Gun Options, we put 3 trades on this week. A bull put spread on Twitter after it got hammered, an iron condor on SPX, and an iron condor on Apple. And these are all looking to close here. We were up over $6,000. There's what, about potentially another $800, $900 to go with these trades before expiration. So we're looking at nearly $6,500 in profit on 3 trades this week alone. And that was on about $15,000 in risk. Each one of these trades had about $5,000 in risk. So that's a 40% return on risk. That's some it's a pretty good start to the new year here. So very happy with our weekly options model portfolio over at Top Gun Options. What else is going on? Consumer Electronics Show kicks off in Vegas, so it'll be interesting to see what comes out of Apple, what comes out of Google. See what the big tech trends are going to be in 2014, wearable technology, biometrics, digital health, all sorts of cool stuff coming out of the Consumer Electronics Show. We're seeing a lot of weakness in Apple as well. A Wall Street Journal article today digging into China Mobile's costly deal with Apple, and stocks really starting to take a hit of late. So it's going to be interesting to see what's going on in 2014 with Apple. I love trading Apple. Been trading it since it was $80 back in the day. And we're going to be talking about this in depth Tuesday morning, 0900 at our primary live trade brief. If you're interested in getting on board any of our live trading services, either at Wealth Creation Investing or at Top Gun Options, give us a call. 888-308-2112 is the number. You can speak with one of our wealth consultants, and they can put you in the service that's right for you. As I said, this is a pretty great start to the new year here with 3 trades, getting over $6,000 in profit, 40% return in 1 week. Can that continue? I hope so. Obviously, past performance is no indication of future results, but I'm feeling very confident about 2014, and it's going to be just as good here at Top Gun Options and Wealth Creation Investing as 2013 was, okay? So I got to run actually up here in Dallas, giving a keynote today to Endologics, endovascular company, and it's a little cold here. I need to get back down to Boca Raton and get back to being warm. But happy hunting. Make sure you hedge, and I'll talk to you with Monday's market outlook over at Wealth Creation Investing. Have a great weekend.